Mayor Zohran Mamdani calls for emergency help during major storm. New York City is offering emergency snow shoveling work, paying $30 an hour as the city deals with a significant winter storm. Mayor Zohran Kwame Mamdani shared the announcement, encouraging residents to work alongside New York City's strongest to help clear streets and restore normal conditions after heavy snowfall. Sign-ups were available at sanitation garages for anyone willing to step in and help the city recover. The effort is part of the city's emergency response to keep roads, sidewalks, and neighborhoods accessible during severe winter weather. Would you shovel snow for $30 an hour if your city offered it?